Lesson 4, would, in the past tense. Listen to 3 conversations using would in the past tense. Conversation 1. A woman talks about her childhood. What would she ride when she was young?
What was it like growing up on a farm?
It was the best. I used to have so much fun.
Really? What would you do?
I would ride horses, play with my dog, tend to animals, and just have fun.
Sounds fun.
It was. Every day, I would get up early and I would be outside all day. I wouldn't go inside until dark.
Sounds like you had a great childhood.
It was.
Question 1. What would she ride when she was young? The answer is horses. Conversation 2. A man talks about his life in the city. Where would the man sit with his friends?
What was it like growing up in the city?
It was fun. I have many good memories.
Yeah, such as?
Well, my friends and I used to hang out downtown. We would sit on the sidewalk and watch the world go by. It was so fun. Sometimes we'd get in trouble, though.
Really? What would you do?
Well, we would be loud or naughty. Kid stuff. Nothing serious, though.
Yeah, sounds familiar.
Question 2. Where would the man sit with his friends? The answer is on the sidewalk. Conversation 3. A woman talks about her time in the army. How many hours of sleep would she get?
What was life like in the army?
It was good, but it was very hard.
Really? How so?
Well, we were always busy. Every day we would get up really early, then we would march for 10 miles. After that, we would do more training.
What would you do in the afternoon?
More training. Usually, we wouldn't stop training until late.
That is so tough. How much sleep did you get?
Not much. We would usually get about 6 hours a night. It wasn't enough, though.
Do you miss it?
Yes, sometimes.
Question 3. How many hours of sleep would she get? The answer is 6 hours.
Thank you for watching. Get thousands of free English lessons at English Listening Lesson Library online. Visit ello.org or click the link below. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you in the next one.